Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips head screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, and a can of compressed air for cleaning. Start by powering off your Lenovo Toga 530S completely. Disconnect any peripherals and unplug the device from the power source. Next, locate the screws on the back cover of the laptop. Using your Phillips head screwdriver, carefully remove these screws. Be sure to keep them in a safe place so you don't lose any. After removing the screws, use the plastic opening tool to gently pry open the back cover. Start from one corner and work your way around to avoid damaging the casing. Once the back cover is removed, you will see the internal components of the laptop. Look for the charging port, which is typically located near the battery. Inspect the port for any signs of damage or debris. If you notice any dust or dirt, use the can of compressed air to carefully clean the area. Make sure you do this gently to avoid causing any harm to the internal components. Now, while you're checking the port, you might want to test it with a known working charger. If you find that the charging port is still not functioning, it could be a sign of a deeper issue. If you don't have the tools or expertise for further diagnosis, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. If you're comfortable proceeding, check the connections leading to the charging port. Ensure that everything is seated correctly and there are no loose wires. If you notice any disconnections or damage, it may require professional attention. Don't forget, we also offer pickup and delivery at your home for your convenience. No calls, no travel, just a simple service to get your laptop checked. If everything looks good but the laptop still doesn't charge, it may be time to consider other factors such as the battery or charger. Make sure to test with another charger if possible. If the issue persists, we can provide a quote before repair to give you an idea of what to expect. After completing your checks, carefully reassemble the laptop by placing the back cover back on and securing it with the screws you removed earlier. Ensure that everything fits snugly and there are no gaps. Finally, power on your Lenovo Toga 530S and connect the charger to see if the issue has been resolved. If you have followed all these steps and the laptop still isn't charging, don't hesitate to reach out for professional help. Remember, we're here to assist you with any repairs you might need, ensuring a hassle-free experience. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.